Hey guys, I really wanted to make a drive time topographical map. So for example, if we begin at the Golden Gate Bridge, this is how far we can get in 30 minutes. And it's kind of interesting, looking at downtown, you're really not going to get very far from the bridge. But going south, you can get some pretty decent distance. And if you catch the freeway going north, you're really able to get a good distance in 30 minutes. And if we go out 1 hour, we get some more interesting stuff. You can tell the freeway definitely gives an advantage here, much better than driving down the coast. And going up here, we get a lot further this next 30 minutes. And then we can go out an hour and a half, and I really like this claw right here. You can tell the freeway, once again, is really contributing to getting some good distance. But then this goes all the way in pretty deep right here. And then once again, you have another freeway reaching out. And this, I don't know why there's no data for this. I don't know if this is wetlands or what, but there's no info for this. And then once again, you have another freeway reaching out right here. So I thought this was kind of neat, but I want to see what it looks like going across the US. So for example, if you start at the Golden Gate Bridge and you want to plan a road trip, how far could you get in 5 hours? And here's how far you can get. So anything inside here, you could do a 5-hour road trip. And then this is a 10-hour road trip. You can pretty much get to Portland, Oregon, or into Las Vegas and all these other places in between. Then we have 15 hours or 20 hours. They have 25 hours, 30 hours, 35 hours, 40 hours, 45 hours, and 50 hours. And it's kind of neat as a topographical map. You can see the influence that freeways have on how far you can travel and how much the mountains slow things down over here. And I didn't expect this spiderweb looking effect, but that makes sense because as you deviate away from the freeways, you're going to get shorter distances. And I also made another one for Denver. So you have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And for this one, apparently only looked at data for the US. I think this would be a really neat feature for Google Maps. It'd be a great way to plan different ideas for various road trips. So they could call it a drive time topographical map, or for short, they could call it the Andy map. How exciting. What do you guys think?